Say R 2 times deep inside your left eye. Keep your left hand.
PI from USA।
क्या आपके टेस्ट में कम स्कोर आते हैं? आप फोकस नहीं कर पाते? आप आक्रामक महसूस करते हैं? क्या हमेशा से चला आ रहा एजुकेशन सिस्टम आपको फेल कर रहा है? पेश है फोनेमिक इंटेलिजेंस, एक अप्रूवल इवोल्यूशनरी एजुकेशन अप्रोच जो ब्रेन पावर को बढ़ाता है और स्टूडेंट्स को एक महान व्यक्ति बनने में मदद करता है।
प्लस माइनस फ्रॉम कनाडा।
P1 ट्रेनिंग आपको अच्छी तरह फोकस करने में, मेमोरी और क्रिएटिविटी बढ़ाने में, गोल सेट करने और अचीव करने में, कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ाने में और एम्पैथी और कंपैशन दिखाने में मदद करती है। आप कम से कम 2 हफ्ते में ही रिजल्ट देख पाएंगे। प्लस माइनस कोड एक अनूठा प्रोग्राम है जो भावनात्मक बुद्धिमत्ता यानी EQ को विकसित करने के लिए बनाया गया है। यह कैसे काम करता है? बहुत ही आसान है। सबसे पहले छात्र वीडियो देखते हैं, फिर वे EQ टेस्ट देते हैं और अंत में वे अपने उत्तरों की समीक्षा कर सकते हैं। प्रोग्राम का हर सत्र लगभग 26 एपिसोड का होता है और हर प्रत्येक एपिसोड की अनुमानित अवधि 25 मिनट होती है। ये बिल्कुल एक गेम की तरह है। वीडियो के दौरान छात्रों को 5 सेकंड का समय होता है कि वे चित्र को सकारात्मक, नकारात्मक या उनकी प्रवृत्तियों के साथ, जो दोनों का मिश्रण हो सकता है, अनुमान लगा सकते हैं। क्या ये प्लस है, माइनस है या फिर प्रवृत्ति। जैसे ही वीडियो देखते हैं वे अपनी समझ के जांच के लिए EQ टेस्ट शुरू कर सकते हैं। में यदि आप इस विकल्प को चुनते हैं तो हर छात्र को टेस्ट देने के लिए एक मैनुअल मिलता है। उसके बाद वे सीधे अपने उत्तरों की समीक्षा कर सकते हैं। मीटिंग्स को विस्तार से समझाया जाता है ताकि हर छात्र EQ को गहराई से सुधार सके। वही समझावन शिक्षक मैनुअल में भी उपलब्ध है।
Hi, my name is Tarun and I'm from 94.3 Radio 1. I host a show that's called Good Morning Pune. I interview a lot of people as my profession. It's very rare that I get interviewed, and today is one such day. And interviewing me is this lovely bunch, 4 youngsters. Tell me your names and what's the plan.
Hello, I'm Nikita. Myself Aditi.
Myself Parth. I am Nitish.
And we all are going to interview RJ Tarun sir.
यहाँ पे हमारा स्कूल नंबर 1 है क्योंकि हर न्यू चीज़ पहले प्रियदर्शनी में आई है और फिर बाद में दूसरे स्कूल्स ने स्टार्ट किया है.
This is Farzana Sheikh, Principal, High School and Junior College, Bhosri. I am extremely privileged and enthralled to be a part of this institution, which has a rich legacy of 41 years in the field of education. With these 41 years in the field of education, it clearly demarcates that the educational practices and the sports practices in the school, in the institution, have made a new way.
Hello everyone, this is Shilpi Shukla, Principal, Priyadarshini High School, CBSE Board. What I like about this school is that the owners themselves are the educationists. They travel across the world to bring the best practices to the school. So we have spiritual scientists, we have robotics, we have martial cadet force, we have emotional intelligence, we have phonemic intelligence development in the school.
स्कूल की तरफ से मैं बोलना चाहूँगी तो यही इतना कहना चाहूँगी कि एक्टिविटी, एग्जीबिशन जो रेगुलर का होमवर्क है बच्चों से अच्छे से लिया जाता है और इधर एक्टिविटी के बारे में तो बच्चों को पढ़ाई के अलावा इधर एक्टिविटी में भी शामिल किया जाता है.
School provides really well trained teachers and the supporting staff. Whichever facilities are required in the school that are available in the school. So we are here from last 2 to 3 years and we are observing everything.
The school is completely based on holistic development of the child and new programs are introduced here.
Hello everyone, this is Arshi Pathak, a student of grade 10 and a young spiritual scientist member. Do you know what is young spiritual scientist? It is young minds exploring spirituality. Our school emphasizes the importance of EQ and IQ in our daily lives. I am grateful being a part of Priyadarshini family. Thank you.
Warm greetings to everyone. I, Tanvi Somanshi, would like to introduce myself as the head of journalist group of Priyadarshini High School. As being the main reporter, my responsibilities include to assign the task to fellow reporters and to review their reports. Also, I myself cover the headlines of the functions and events that take place in our school.
Hello everyone, I am Nikita Kulkarni, a student of Priyadarshini High School, Bhosri from 10th standard. I am a part of student council from last 2 years, where I experienced and acquired new knowledge about many new things. 2 important things that I learned were our mind thoughts and continuous interaction between CBSE and SSC section. The only main thing that I learned here is friendship doesn't only lie inside your own room. I have made interaction not only with CBSE section but also with SSC section. Recently I met our CEO Mr. Jitendra Singh sir, who not only inspired me but also gave us life lessons. Student Council offers not only new opportunities but planning and organizational skills which are beneficial for our future life.
Hello everyone, I am Anushka Sharad Kumawat and am pursuing my bachelor's degree in astrophysics at Ohio Wesleyan University in the US. Today, I want to share my incredible experience as a proud alumnus of Priyadarshini School. From the moment I stepped into Priyadarshini School, I knew I was in for something special. I have spent 12 incredible years here, and these years have been the best of my life. The school's culture, environment, and atmosphere create an ideal learning environment that nurtures students like me holistically. What sets Priyadarshini apart is their unique focus on spiritual education alongside the traditional curriculum. Here, we not only gain knowledge academically, but also learn about emotional intelligence and personal growth. It's a truly well-rounded educational experience. The dedicated and supportive teachers at my school play a vital role in shaping our lives. They go above and beyond to encourage and guide us towards success. The school also organizes a wide range of programs, co-curricular activities, and sports events that allow us to explore our talents and develop new skills. What truly makes Priyadarshini special is the strong sense of community. I have formed wonderful relationships with my teachers, classmates, peers, and also the non-teaching staff. Priyadarshini feels like a second home where we are nurtured, encouraged, and celebrated for who we are. I want to take this opportunity to express my heartfelt gratitude to my school for providing me with such an enriching experience. It has prepared me not just academically, but also as a responsible and compassionate individual ready to contribute to the world around me. Our school provides an extraordinary platform that goes beyond education. It has truly made a difference in my life, and I will forever cherish the memories and lessons learned. To all the students out there, consider yourself fortunate if you get the chance to be a part of Priyadarshini School. It's an experience of a lifetime. Thank you so much.